Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy. Today we are going to learn concept of zero and before, after and between numbers. Concept of zero. Children, can you see these birds sitting on the wall? How many birds are there, children? 1, 2, 3. How many birds are sitting on the wall? How many children? 1, 2, 3. 3 birds sitting on the wall. 3 birds are sitting on the wall. Now, one bird flies away. Can you see this? 2 birds are sitting on the wall and one bird is flying away. Okay, children. So, how many left? 1, 2. 2 birds left. One more bird flies away. Can you see here? Here, only one bird is sitting, the other one is flying away. So, how many birds left, children? Only one bird. Now, here, one more bird flies away. How many birds are left? How many birds are left on the wall, children? There are no birds on the wall. Understood, children? When there is no bird on the wall, we say that there are 0 birds on the wall. O is the symbol to represent 0. Now understood, children? If there is no bird, that means it is 0 birds. 0 birds on the wall. O is the symbol to represent 0. 0 comes just before 1. Before, between and after. Today we are going to learn these numbers. This is a number line. Can you see this number line, children? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you mean by before number, children? Can anyone tell me before number? When count backward from a given number, we say it as before number. Suppose this given number is 6. From here, if we are counting backward, we tell is as before number. For example, see children, before 6 is 5. Before 5 is 4. Before 4 is 3. Before 3 is 2. So we are counting backward. Backward counting is nothing but before number. Okay, children? And what is after number? After number, when the given number is there, suppose 6, if you count forward, that is after 6, 7, after 7, 8, after 8, 9. Understood, children? This is after number. Between number means, children, the number which is in between, in the middle of two numbers. Suppose 5 and 7. In the middle is 6. So, between number is 6. Look at number 6 on the number line. Can you see this? Can you see this 6 on the number line, children? 5 is to the left of 6. 5 is to the left of 6. So, 5 comes before 6, just before 6. 7 is to the right of 6. So, 7 comes just after 6. We can say 6 is between 5 and 7. See, children, we can say 6 is between 5 and 7. Exercise 2. Write the number that comes just before 5. Before 5, what comes, children? Write 4. Write the number that comes just after 2. After 2, 3. Very good. 3. Write the number that comes between 7 and 9. Yes, right. 8. Fill in the correct numbers. 7 is just after 6. Which number is between 8 and 10, children? 9. 9 is between 8 and 10. Which number is just before 6? 5 is just before 6. 5 is between 4 and 6. Write the date here, children. 3/8/2021. Okay. Before, after, between. First one I am doing for you all. The rest you have to do as homework. Understood, children? Before 5, what comes? Which number comes before 5? 4. And after 3, which number comes, children? 4. Between 7 and 9? 8. Understood, children? The rest you have to do as homework. Thank you.